And that's why we have uh, yung mga lagay-lagay sa government agencies, di ba? Kasi gusto nating, we want convenience, no? Gusto nating mauna, gusto nating, ayaw natin pumila. Yeah. So, yun yung isang basic idea. So, but my proposal is that, well, we have to have a hierarchy of values na kahit tingin natin, pumasa na yung we subject it to something higher until we reach the apex, no? Meron akong pitong sinuggest doon, but I'm not saying that that's the best
Yeah.
framework. Okay? I'm not even saying that it's the only framework, no? But it's a
It's a
wake-up call.
guide.
It's a
Mm-mm.
guide. It's a wake-up call na, oo nga, no? Mas maganda kung meron akong malinaw na mantayan ng pagdedesisyon ko.